Hey, welcome to Mentally Financial. I'm Gary B, aka Uncle G. I'm not your traditional financial channel. I don't talk about investments, real estate, and things of that nature. I talk about real life struggles that I struggled with my finances. When I was younger, I bounced checks. When I was younger, I didn't understand credit scores, credit reports, or any of that. I didn't know how to budget. But now I do, and I want to help you build the perfect credit profile or the perfect financial profile, because that's what it really takes. You don't have to chase credit scores to get what you want in life. So over here, I'm going to drop a new video every Tuesday at 5 o'clock. And I'm going to teach you something that I did that wasn't a scam, it was just a great life hack to get your finances straight. So check me out every Tuesday at 5 o'clock. Also, like this video, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends about us, and let's build this community into something. And like I always say in all my videos, I do the research, I live the life, you just gotta follow. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Uncle G. Peace.